Okay, so let's take a look at using proportions with um, conversion factors. So if I have the conversion factor of 1 meter equals 3.25 feet, then, and I'm looking to see how many feet there are in 15.2 meters, I can make a proportion. So I can set this up either way. I'm going to do 1 meter over 3.25 feet. And then over here, I'm going to flip it over. So I'm going to do the reciprocal of that. So I'm going to do 3.25 feet over 1 meter. Okay. So let's go back to this one. So I put 1 meter over 3.25 feet. And I'm trying to see how many feet there are in 15.2 meters. Since I set up my proportion this way, up top will be meters because that's what's up here. And then on the bottom will be feet because that's what's in my denominator on this side. And then I put the information that I have. So up here, I know that it's 15.2 meters. So I'm going to put that here. And then I would put my X feet. Okay. And then if I wanted to use this proportion, then since I put feet in the numerator, I'm going to put feet in the numerator there and meters in the denominator there. And my 15.2 is meters. So that would go with my meters down here, and this would be X. And then you could solve either one of these. That's fine, right? They're both valid proportions, and I've done the reciprocal both sides, so it's fine. So here you might notice that you could multiply this by 15.2. So then I would do the same thing to the bottom, and I would end up with X equals, I think it's 49.4. 49.4 feet. Okay. And then if I had it here, I might say, well, I'm trying to get the X by itself. So I'm going to multiply this by 15.2 because when I multiply by 15.2, these cancel to 1 because 15.2 divided by 15.2 is 1. And if I multiply the right side of my equation by 15.2, then I would also multiply the left side of my equation by 15.2 here. And then I end up with the same thing here, right? I'm going to end up with 15.2 times 3.25, which will give me 49.4 feet. Okay, so both of these approaches are fine. And when you go to use a conversion factor, remember you can set it up either way, but when you do the other side, make sure your units stay together, right? So I've got meters with meters and feet with feet. And you'll do that with any conversion factor and whatever units you have.